Some needed relief on the way for those dealing with constant and annoying telemarketing calls. Governor Cuomo recently signing a law that closes a loophole on the Do Not Call Registry. CBS 2's Bauman has this.
Most have experienced it.
This is Susan with Credit Card Relief.
Irritating computer-generated phone calls, dubbed robocalls, ringing both landlines and cell phones nonstop.
You qualify for a 75% savings.
Often filling voicemails, but mostly sparking annoyance.
It's very hard to tell which ones are people that are trying to reach you and which ones are robocalls.
It's an invasion of privacy, and it could be scary, and especially when you get those calls in the middle of the night.
According to the software company YouMail, roughly 2.9 billion robocalls were made across New York State this year.
I love robots, but I hate robocalls. They're making a bad name for robots.
Now Governor Cuomo trying to combat this growing problem by signing the Nuisance Call Act into law. It makes it mandatory that live telemarketers give consumers the option to be added to the seller's Do Not Call list, and also demands the telemarketers have a consumer's written consent before sharing or selling their contact info, resulting in robocalls. But many are skeptical.
Good luck, but I have a feeling it's not going to make much of a dent.
Executive director of CNET.com says there are other tricks to keep these calls at bay, recommending people sign up for the National Do Not Call Registry, download phone apps like Haya and Nomo Robo, which identify potential robocallers, and also be sure to take advantage of phone carriers' call filter feature.
They have a database of potential spam numbers, and before they were making people pay for that, sometimes $2 a month. Now some of those things are free.
Helping to hang up on robocalls and telemarketers for good. Bauman, CBS 2 News.
And the new legislation is set to take effect in 90 days.